Hello guys, King Henry VIII here. Today I'm going to be trying these Faze Clan buffalo chicken pizza rolls. These are straight out of the oven. And to commemorate this banquet, I have a Diet Mountain Dew because the store was out of regular. And we will be trying these today. And if I like them, I'll tell you I like them. If I don't like them, I'll tell you that I don't like them. So let's go. Just grab one right here. It's got a nice crispiness to the outside. It's got a little bit of a tiny bit of spice to it. It's not too much. I'm going to get some of that chicken in there. Yeah, that was actually, it's actually pretty damn good. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I was expecting not to like these. So I filmed the whole segment for the video of me not liking them. So I'm just going to roll that.